Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0 TDI M6F 150 HP 5-door in stunning blue. This estate-choch Jeep is packed with features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation and ambient lighting. With safety highlights such as collision avoidance and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The Tiguan also boasts a sleek chrome package and privacy glass for added style and security. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and stop and start system, you'll save on fuel costs. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Contact us at michaelmoore.ie for more details today.